as we can with the automatic reagents. So that is why you see delays. So when and I want to apologize to Kenyans, when you hear that your sample was taken, it has taken you 2 days, it is not the intention. The intention is to give them with as few hours as possible. But when we have got manual reagents, then we have got a challenge as to how many we can actually be able to test per day. But hopefully, this situation is improved. It will improve. It has already started improving, and that is why for the day, we tested in the last 24 hours, we tested some 5,259 persons, therefore bringing a cumulative figure of 289,759. Now, out of those 5,259, some 544 persons turned positive, and out of them 340 are male and 204 are female. So we need to again, this gender issue, if we were getting just a number of male that we get for females, the figure would be substantially low. But I also want to point out to our female folk and our sisters and mothers, your figures are also now beginning to go up. So I hope it doesn't mean that you are also beginning to misbehave. And you know, as these figures begin to come up, we hear all sorts of rumors about China, about the effects of becoming positive. We hear very strange rumors, which I'm not going to participate in perpetuating, because I don't want to be a rumor monger. But the men should be careful. Men should be careful with this positivity that we are continuing to get, particularly young men. You should be very, very careful with the infections and possible side effects that in future, we don't know, but in future, we don't know what side effects some of these diseases will have. Let's be careful. We also lost 12 people in the last 24 hours in various hospitals around the country, which now brings the total to some 311 persons who have also passed on, and our sincere condolences to the families of those who have lost their loved ones. We have discharged some 113 persons, bringing our cumulative discharge a total of 8,021. And this is the work of our case management people, the doctors, the nurses, who are managing our people in such a manner that we can continue to increase substantially the number of persons we are discharging from our hospitals. That means that we are still retaining a fatality rate of about 1.6% as opposed to the current global one of about 4%. Watu wale ambao wanazidi kuhitaji ile vitu ambao tumekataza, ni lazima mjaribu sana. I know sometimes it's a challenge. Wengine walikuwa wamezoea sana hii mambo ya pombe, lakini sasa wewe useme asante kwa Mungu kwa sababu amelete hii mambo ambayo itakuzuia wewe kwenda huko kwa bar kunywa pombe, na ile pesa ulikuwa natumia na hiyo pombe sasa unaweza kutumia kununulia watoto kitu kama nguo, unaweza kupatia mama kidogo na yeye apate ka viatu nice. Kwa hivyo hiyo pesa ulikuwa natumia na hiyo mambo, wewe tumia na kitu mzuri. Wewe sasa angalia nyumba yako, uangalie uone ni kitu gani unaweza fanya. Pengine mama alikuwa anafanya kelele ya kitu fulani anataka, wewe mpatie, mnunulie hiyo kitu. Hata mimi nitafanya vile vile. Hata mimi nilikuwa nafurahia Kagwe special. Kwa hivyo hiyo pesa nilikuwa na hiyo maneno, hata mimi nitasaidia pahali, ama nimpe mtu mwingine nyumbani, ama nisaidie kununulia mtu mask ambaye alikuwa hana mask. Tukifanya mambo kama hayo, tutakuwa na saidiana sana na itakuwa jambo la maana na jambo mzuri. Kwa hivyo Wakenya, tafadhalini, hii mambo tuishukue kama ilivyo, Tujue ya kwamba this is a dangerous time, but we must also live. We must also stay alive. And to stay alive, we need to be positive. We need to assist each other. The way the doctors act for us, the way they give themselves to us, the way they participate in saving our lives is a way that we should try and emulate in saving each other. We save each other. You save me, I save you. You protect me, I protect you.